The world stood still. On February 26, 2025, the impossible became real. A team of brilliant minds at Oxford University unveiled the Majara chip, a 1000-qubit quantum processor, a technological marvel, years ahead of its time. Quantum computing, a mind-boggling concept. Instead of bits, it uses qubits. Qubits exist in multiple states at once. This unleashes unimaginable processing power. The Majara chip promised to revolutionize fields like medicine, materials science, and artificial intelligence, but it delivered something far more profound. Initial tests were a triumph. The Majara performed flawlessly, exceeding all expectations. But then, the unexpected happened. The impossible. The team observed peculiar fluctuations in the quantum states, anomalies. They couldn't explain it. Excitement turned into apprehension. The Majara chip, a gateway to unimaginable possibilities, was also a Pandora's box. It whispered of a reality beyond our comprehension. The anomalies grew stronger, more frequent. The Majara chip, a perfect machine, was behaving erratically. It was as if the laws of physics themselves were flickering. During a complex simulation of protein folding, the Majara froze. Then, the unthinkable. The computer screens displaying the simulation flickered. For a fraction of a second, an image appeared, a blurry picture of what seemed like a vast, swirling vortex of colors. The team was baffled. These anomalies challenged everything we knew about quantum mechanics. Were these glitches in the system or glimpses into another reality? The line between science fiction and reality blurred. The Majara chip wasn't just processing information. It was interacting with something beyond our understanding, something real yet completely alien. Scientists around the world scrambled to decipher the Majara anomalies. Theories ranged from the plausible to the utterly bizarre. Some suggested the chip was interacting with hidden dimensions. Others proposed it was tapping into a parallel universe. The implications were staggering. If true, our understanding of the universe was fundamentally flawed. The very fabric of reality as we knew it was up for debate. Leading physicists argued that the Majara chip might be manipulating the very fabric of space-time. Could the chip be creating microscopic wormholes, connecting us to distant corners of the universe or even other universes? The world held its breath. The Majara chip, once a symbol of human ingenuity, was now a looking glass into the abyss of the unknown. Fear and excitement gripped the scientific community. The air was thick with tension as experts from various fields gathered to discuss the implications of the Majara chip. Some called for an immediate halt to the Majara project, citing the unknown risks and potential dangers that could arise from such an unprecedented technological advancement. The risks, they argued, were too great. They feared that tampering with the quantum realm could lead to unforeseen consequences, potentially altering the fabric of reality itself. Others urged caution, emphasizing the potential benefits of this groundbreaking technology. The debate intensified as more voices joined the fray, each presenting compelling arguments for and against the project. Was the Majara chip a force for good or a harbinger of destruction? The question loomed large, casting a shadow over the scientific community. The answer remained elusive, shrouded in the uncertainty of the quantum realm. Renowned physicist Dr. Lisa Randall cautioned against rushing to conclusions. "We are at the very beginning of our understanding of quantum computing," she stated in a press conference. "We are at the very beginning of our understanding of quantum computing," she stated in a press conference. The Majara chip presents us with a unique opportunity to study the fundamental nature of reality itself. The Majara chip presents us with a unique opportunity to study the fundamental nature of reality itself. It could unlock secrets of the universe that have eluded humanity for centuries. We must proceed with caution, but also with a sense of wonder and a thirst for knowledge. The world watched, captivated and terrified, as humanity teetered on the brink of a new era, an era shaped by the enigmatic power of the Majara chip, an era shaped by the enigmatic power of the Majara chip. The future was uncertain, but the potential for discovery was boundless, promising to redefine our understanding of the universe. The ethical implications of the Majara chip were profound. This tiny piece of technology had the potential to reshape our understanding of reality itself. If it could manipulate reality, what were the limits of its power? Could it alter the very fabric of our existence? Or was it bound by certain constraints we had yet to understand? Who controlled this power, and how could it be used responsibly? These questions weighed heavily on the minds of scientists, ethicists, and policymakers alike. Governments around the world grappled with the need for regulation. The stakes were incredibly high, and the potential for both great benefit and great harm was immense. The potential for misuse was enormous. In the wrong hands, the Majara chip could become a tool for unprecedented levels of control and manipulation. The Majara chip could be used to create powerful weapons, disrupt global economies, and even destabilize entire nations. The ramifications were far-reaching, or even alter the course of history. The very notion of what was possible was being rewritten. A United Nations summit was convened to discuss the global implications of the Majara chip. The debate was heated, with passionate arguments on all sides. Some argued for the complete dismantling of the project, fearing the unknown and the uncontrollable consequences that might arise. Citing the potential for catastrophic consequences, the fear of an irreversible mistake loomed large. Others called for international cooperation and shared governance of this powerful technology. They believed that with the right oversight, the Majara chip could be a force for good. The Majara chip had thrust humanity into uncharted territory, challenging our ethical frameworks and demanding new ways of thinking, forcing us to confront uncomfortable questions about our place in the universe, our responsibilities, and the limits of our knowledge. The journey ahead was uncertain, but it was one that humanity had no choice but to undertake. The discovery of the Majara chip ushered in an era of unprecedented scientific and philosophical inquiry. The boundaries of reality blurred, and the future seemed both exhilarating and terrifying. Research into the Majara anomalies continued with renewed vigor. Scientists hoped to unravel the mysteries of the quantum realm and harness its power for the betterment of humanity. But the path forward was fraught with uncertainty. The world held its breath. Would the Majara chip lead to a new era of peace and prosperity, or would it unleash forces beyond our control? Only time would tell. The Majara chip stood as a stark reminder of the boundless possibilities and the inherent dangers of scientific progress. The Majara chip is a testament to the boundless potential of the human mind. It represents the pinnacle of our technological achievements, a marvel of engineering that pushes the boundaries of what we thought possible. But it is also a stark reminder of our own limitations. For every door it opens, it reveals a corridor of questions and uncertainties. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, we must proceed with caution and humility. The vastness of space and the intricacies of quantum mechanics are humbling, reminding us of our small place in the grand scheme of things. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the Majara chip has irrevocably changed our understanding of reality. It has blurred the lines between the possible and the impossible, challenging our perceptions and beliefs. We are no longer passive observers in a deterministic universe. With the Majara chip, we have become active participants, capable of influencing and shaping the very fabric of reality. We are active participants in a reality that is far stranger and more wonderful than we could have ever imagined. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination and our willingness to explore. The journey into the quantum realm has just begun. Each step we take brings new discoveries and new challenges, pushing us to rethink what we know about the universe and our place in it. And as we stand on the precipice of the unknown, we are left to ponder the most fundamental question of all. What does it mean to be human in a universe where reality itself is fluid and ever-changing? The Majara chip has thrown down the gauntlet. It challenges us to redefine our understanding of existence and to embrace the unknown with curiosity and courage. The future of reality itself is in our hands. It is up to us to navigate this new frontier with wisdom and foresight, ensuring that our advancements benefit all of humanity. The dawn of a new era is upon us, and the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. The future is ours to create.